Hey guys, what's up? I'm Sam. I'm one of the stylists here at Kidpik, and today I'm going to show you guys some fall trends. I love this outfit because it's some pattern matching, which is really cute. We have a nice ribbed sweater with stripes and then a nice cute little floral top skirt. Silly me. Okay. And then I paired it with this cute glitter booty, which I love. And then, can't go wrong with the cute jacket. Love this fussy jacket. Oh, so cute. And the detailing on the sleeves, the ends, love it. So I'll put that with this. Perfect, very cute. And then I'm gonna add this cute little rhinestone headband, which comes in your Kidpik boxes. So if you have it, let us know. Tell us which outfit you guys like the best. We'd love to know your feedback. All right, the next thing we got here is this beautiful girly dress. It's so cute. I put it with a gold shoe. And then we're gonna pair it with this funky vest that'll just make it stand out a little more. Wow, I love that. And then I'm gonna put a little pink scrunchie to go with it. You can wear it in your hair, wear it around your wrist. Scrunchies are so in, I love scrunchies. I'm gonna put one in right now. Love it.